Welcome back. Revenue Minister and Vasco MLA Jose Philip D'Souza has warned that the consequences of MPT's notices to fishermen to close down Kharivado jetty won't be good. Jose assured that he will raise the issue with the Union Ministry.
Vasco MLA Jose Philip D'Souza seems very upset with MPT issuing notices to the fishermen to close down the jetty. He has now threatened that if the MPT official continue harassing fishermen, then the consequences won't be good.
जे बरे भाशेन बरे पद्धतीन खाऱ्यावाडा रावन ओ बरे फिशरमॅन बरे रावन बिजनेस करपाचे पूण आमकां भिवून हे भाशेन करीत जाल्यार हें आमकां बरें लागना आनी गोवोरमेंटाकूय बरें लागपाना हेंवूय हांव सेंट्रलाक सांगतलो पूण हे पद्दतीन तरी तर आमकां जर चेअरमॅन जर कितें करूंक कोत्ता आनी हे पद्दतीन आमकां जर भायर काडूंक येता जाल्यार चेअरमॅन एक चूक करता की हाल्या हेचो परिणाम कितेंय जावंक शकता.
MPT had sent notice to Fishermen Association at Kharivado to close down the jetty due to grave security threat to the port. D'Souza has argued that the fishermen are existing at Kharivado much before MPT.
MPT जो आयज आमी MPT म्हाका दिसता MPT 1964 एक्सिस्ट जाला हांगा पूण आमचे पायचे पाय हांगा रावन हो धंदो करून आयज मरण गेले. आयज आमी म्हणना हो आमचो पोर्ट आमचो आयज ही वस्त आमची आयज एमपीटीन देखून कितलेंय करून आयज जर रिक्लेमेंट केला वयले एमपीटीन तर वाडयला आमी एमपीटीचेर आयज आमी ओपोज करूना पूण हो आयज आमकां भायर काडून आमी थिंगा आख्खो परे हें आपण सगळो एक्वायर करूंक हें रॉंग.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar for Prudent Media.
The demarcation of land for the proposed sports city at Dargal for the 2011 National Games is now complete. The work of numbering the trees in the surveyed area is now in progress.
The demarcation of the area with respect to the site plan at Dargal is now done. Around 9 lakh square meters land has been demarcated. The sports city for the 2011 National Games will be set up in this area. Initially, the government was planning to set up the sports city in a much bigger area, triggering furor amongst the farming community in particular. However, owing to the protests, the authorities had to leave out chunks of cultivable land from the initial plan. Although even now the demarcated area consists of various kinds of trees, the government has promised the landowners and farmers the right value. Hence, during the last 3 months when the demarcation process was on, there were no protests from the farmers. Various trees in the demarcated area are now being marked with numbers so that it will be easy to identify them and value them accordingly. The on-site officials have claimed that it will take 15 to 20 days to complete the markings on the trees. Our reporter from Dargal, Vinod Mettar.
And now let's have a look at the other events that took place in the state.
A group of NRGs staying overseas is on a Goa tour. Commissionerate of NRI and External Affairs is organizing this tour. The group consists of 12 NRGs from Canada, Mozambique and UK. They are here to know more about their cultural roots. The group will try to learn more about Goan culture and heritage by visiting various places in the state. Artistic work of 7 years old Gayatri Sarkar was displayed at Vasco. The exhibition has been titled as More and More. Pictures drawn by her from the age of 3 are displayed. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time now for another short break. Stay tuned.